Yeah, hi everyone. The 3-day workshop was great. The first day, that how to deal with clients, the body language part, it was totally great. And this talking to Harpreet sir is like when you are in a school and you have a favorite teacher, no? So it's like that you are talking to your favorite teacher all the time, wherever you go. Like in future, that we'll be biggest event managers also. Then also we are like he's our favorite teacher, and we can listen to him like 24/7. So his
Oh my
teachings
God.
are like amazing. So I really thankful to you, Harpreet sir. Really, thank you so much. In the past also and for the future also, thanks in advance. Whatever your teachings are there, it's really great to chit chat with you every time. So really thankful for you.
You're always welcome, Abhiraj, anytime.
That's
Thank you
good.
so much.